Okay, so people thought I wasn't gonna do it. Now, let me get it. This is literally the same thing I just fed my cats. The same thing. Let me, ocean white and tuna entree. This is just for you guys. I'm gonna do it all on camera, so it doesn't get said that I changed it out for anything. Oh, that looks so good. It's so good. Such a great dinner. Such a great dinner. Melinda's ghost pepper hot sauce. Okay. Let me find my pickles. Trying to keep it all in frame so no one says I cheated. Pickles. I literally just spilled that everywhere, but do it for the likes. I'm also going to throw some Crystal Extra Hot. Crystal Extra Hot. And this, guys, you can't see it. This is what I'm going to be eating. Oh, that's horrible. That is such trash. That's horrible. But I'll finish it. Mmm. So good. I'm so glad I feed my cats this. Little pukey. But it's good. Really tastes like vomit. Vomit and pickle juice. So good. I love it. Look. I'll keep the thing in frame. This is literally what my cats are eating right now. So good. Yep. 10 out of 10. Gordon Ramsay, please come and try this. Because I'm a master chef. Oh. This needs a little more hot sauce. This tastes like vomit in a can. Oh, I hate my life. But I love you guys. Check out my YouTube channel. Challenge me. Okay. I thought that wasn't recording. I was going to be so fucking mad because I don't want to do this a second time. I will. I'll do it a second time if it gets enough likes. I'll do anything. Oh, it's so horrible. I hate all of you. Every single one of you, I hate you. I'm just trying to keep this in frame so, like, there's no, oh, you didn't eat it, you didn't eat it, you didn't eat it. It's all in frame, guys. Extra hot and extra horrible. Oh. I hope you guys like ASMR. Or mukbang, or whatever the fuck it's called. This is cat food mukbang. I really hate you guys. I hate my life. I hate what I've become. And I hate everything. Oh. I hope this is human safe. I'm literally gonna fucking vomit eating this. It tastes like sour tuna. I'm almost done though. Ugh. It's happening. 3 more spoonfuls. No water yet. I don't know if it's worse to chew it or not. Like, is it like, it feels kind of worse when I chew it. So, like, I'm literally at the point where, like, I just want to shovel this in my face and get it gone. The ghost pepper sauce is coming. You can see the tears. Last spoonful. Yep. That just happened. And I hate myself for it happening. But please, go to my YouTube channel. I'm going to link it. Leave a like. And leave a comment of what you want me to see. What you want to see me do next. Because that was horrible. And if I get at least 1 like out of this, I'm happy. Thank you guys. Have a nice night. And enjoy my pain and my disgust. Adios.